Bonjour, bonjour mes amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. And today we are going to talk about weather, the weather. And it is a lesson for the beginners, for level A1. So, first of all, how do you say in French language, what's the weather like? What's the weather like? So, this is how we say, what's the weather like? Quel means what? Temps. Weather. Fait-il? Fait-il is doing. What's the weather like? Okay. Let's repeat after me, please. Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Okay? Next slide. Let's go together. What's the weather like? Oh, it is sunny. It is the sun. It's windy. It's cloudy. There is the storm. There is it's raining. It's rainy, and it's cold. Okay. So let's start together. First, it's sunny. Il. It is. Il. Il. I. A means there is, il y a, du soleil. Du soleil, it means there is some sun. Repeat after me 3 times, okay? Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. There is some sun. Il y a du soleil. Okay, next one. Next one. Next one. Look at it. So, what do you think? I need to check something here. Yeah, if I have yes. What do you think about this? So, it's windy. It's windy. The wind, we say le vent. Le vent. Let me just put this here. Le vent. Le vent ou du vent. Du vent, it means some wind. Du vent. D'accord? I put some extra alarm for you. Okay. Du vent. Du vent, and there is, il, I, a. You remember, it's always the same. There is some wind. There is some sun. This is one way to say. Il y a du vent. Okay? Repeat after me. Il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. Yes, very good. Très bien. Il y a du vent. Next one. Oh, this is the fog. Fog, we say brouillard. So how do you say there is some fog? You remember how to say there is? Brouillard is the fog. You remember how to say there is? There is? There is, we say. Il y a. Il y a. And then brouillard. Now we say il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. Remember? We saw il y a du vent, and before it was il y a du soleil. Okay, so let's repeat together. There is some fog. Il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. Next one. Storm, the storm. Il y a des orages. Let's repeat together. Il y a des orages. Il y a des orages. Il y a des orages. Okay? Next one. Oh, there is the rain. Or it's raining. How to say it's raining? Pleut. Il pleut. It is raining. Il pleut. And if you want to say the same as before, there is some rain, you will say il y a de la pluie. But I didn't try it this way. Wrote it a different way. Il pleut. Okay? We repeat it 3 times. Il pleut. Il pleut. Il pleut. Bravo, 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 bravo. Okay? Courage, 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 les amis. Courage. Wow, this is a sexy snowman. Sexy snowman, it means there is some snow or it's snowing. It's snowing, we'll say il neige. And if there is some snow, Or say il y a de la neige. Let's say il neige. Okay, it's snowing. So let's repeat together 3 times. Il neige. Il neige. Il neige. Okay? And how about this one? It is cold. It is cold. Il fait froid. So il fait froid. You remember, froid means cold. Il, there is, and il fait. Il fait, it means the verb to do. To do. So il fait froid. There do cold. There be cold. You know, it is cold. Il fait froid. Repeat after me. Il fait froid. One more time. Il fait froid. Très bien. Next one. Global warming, my friends, you know. So what do we say when there is global warming? We say it is hot. Hot, we say il fait chaud. Let's repeat after me. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. Okay? First of all, before we start this, I will just review with you. You will look at my face and you will tell me what's the weather. Okay. First one. Il fait froid. Oui, youpi, bravo. Oh là 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 là. It's hot. Il fait chaud. You can see it here, okay? Next one. And now I just destroyed your ear. Sorry about the noise. So there is a lot of wind. What do you say? There is. Il y a du vent. Oui. And then. Oh my God. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. How do you say it's raining? Il pleut. Oui, il pleut. And in winter, it's like, yeah, everything is white, everything is beautiful, yeah. So how do you say? There is the snow. It's snowing. Il neige. Oui, bravo. And what else did we see? The first one that we see, il fait froid, il neige, il pleut. Ah, I forgot this one. Il y a des orages. Well, anyway, let's review together with the PowerPoint. So the small exercise. So as you can see, it's written here. Quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? C'est il y a du soleil. So which one is il y a du soleil? Is it F? Is it E? Is it D? C? B? A? So I think you cannot see the D very clearly because of my picture, but the D is like storm. Is the storm. Is it A, B, C, D, E, F? So which one? Tell me, il y a du soleil. This one? Le B? Le B? No. No, I made mistake. Il y a du soleil, it was A, okay. Il y a des orages. Il y a des orages. Which one is it? Il y a des orages. Oui, le D, le D. Bravo. Okay. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Il pleut. It is. Il pleut. Which one? Here? Il pleut? Or here? Il pleut? Let's try this one. Bravo! Oui, il pleut. One more time. Il y a du brouillard. There is the fog. Which one is il y a du brouillard? This one, no? I think it's this one. Is the day. Or this one. Il y a du brouillard. No, it's not this one. It's not this one. Il y a, they always say bravo, but in fact it's not. Bon. Ah. Il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. In fact, is this one. Le C. Le C. Il y a du brouillard. Ok? Hop. Essayez encore, for instance. Well, we've seen it, so just a few, okay. Now, there's something is that you have on all the television in the world. In fact, I never know why, because most of us don't care so much about the weather. I mean, the farmers cares about the weather, and now that you have, yes, of course, if you are you want to go on holiday, you are going on the sea, you are taking the plane, the weather matters, but otherwise, so the weather, in fact, yeah, it's just okay. But of course, I believe the weather has a big impact on our mood. When it's a nice weather, we are happy. When it's cold, when there is no blue sky, we are in the bad mood. Because we are human beings, you know. So la météo is the weather forecast. Let's see together la météo over the UK. En Écosse. En Écosse. This is Scotland. Scotland. En Irlande. This is Ireland. En Irlande. En Angleterre, this is England. England is here. Au Pays de Galles, this is Wales. Okay. Quel temps fait-il? So when you are now, your new job is you are working at the television and you are telling us what's the weather like. Quel temps fait-il? And then you need to tell me, oh, en Écosse this is like this. En Irlande this is like this. Okay. So can you start with en Écosse? So you need to say after me, en Écosse, there is some snow. How do you say there is snow? It is snowing. It is snowing. En Écosse, il neige. Oui, bravo. Second one. En Irlande. En Irlande, there is the wind. No, not en Irlande, sorry. En Angleterre. En Angleterre. It's windy. Or maybe en Écosse. Windy. En Écosse, je pense que c'est en Écosse. It's en Écosse, sorry. So, en Écosse, il neige et il y a du vent. Ouais, bravo, bravo, bravo. Next one. Let me put the micro here. En Irlande, it's raining. How to say it's raining? Il pleut. Bravo, bravo. You are a champion. You are a champion. Yes, yes, you are a champion. Et en Angleterre, en Irlande, il pleut. Next one. En Irlande, il pleut and. It is. Non. Bon, en Angleterre, it's sunny. En Angleterre, it's sunny. There is the sun. C'est en Angleterre. Il y a du soleil, oui. Et au Pays de Galles alors? Et au Pays de Galles? Ben, au Pays de Galles, il, the same as here, il pleut. Bravo. Okay, now let's see about the direction. So, le nord, le sud, l'ouest, l'est. If you speak English, it's the same. North, south, west, east. Nord, sud, ouest, est. Repeat after me. Nord, sud, ouest, est. Nord, sud, ouest, est. Le nord, le sud, l'ouest, l'est. One more time. Le nord, le sud, l'ouest, l'est. Okay? Here we are. This is a map of France. And let's see the météo in France. Ooh la la. The météo in France. The météo in France. The météo in France. Météo in France. A, B, C, D, E, F. And here on the right we have the temperature and the temperature north, sud, ouest et est. Okay. En France. So show me, where do you put the B? Where do you put the... Il y a des orages. Read after me, please. En France, il y a des orages dans le nord. So, where to put what? Des orages dans le nord. Donc, dans le nord is here. So here, what do we have dans le nord? We have orage. Where is orage? Is this orage? Yes, B is orage. So B goes here, okay? Ah, sorry. And then the next one. Dans le sud, il fait chaud et il y a du soleil. dans le sud. Donc this is le sud, dans le sud. Il fait chaud, il y a du soleil. Il fait chaud. Which one is chaud? This is chaud. Chaud, it means it's hot. So this is goes for the south. Il y a du soleil. Where is le soleil? Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. Which one is it? This is A. Le A. Le A is here. Okay? And dans les Alpes, il fait froid et il neige. Ok? Dans les Alpes, il fait froid et il neige. Donc le froid. Froid. Neige. Il neige. It's snowing. So c'est le E. Il fait froid. It's this one. It is cold. It is cold. Okay. Dans l'ouest. Where is l'ouest? Here is l'ouest? Non, here is l'ouest. Here is l'ouest. Ouest, oh. Il y a du brouillard et du vent. So, which one is the brouillard? This is the brouillard, the F. This is the smoke, the fog, the fog. And the vent is the wind. Vent, wind is the same. Dans le centre, il pleut. The centre is the center. And il pleut, it's the rain. So this is the D, which put in the center. Okay? So, okay, let's review a little bit. Alors, il y a all together. Il y a du brouillard. Il y a du soleil. There is some sun. Il y a du vent. There is the wind. Il y a des orages. There are some storms. Il pleut. It's raining. Il neige. It's snowing. Il fait chaud. It is hot. Il fait froid. It is cold. And then we can say in the north, dans le nord, in the south, dans le sud, in the east, dans l'est, in the west, dans l'ouest. This doesn't matter so much. Just remember a few words about the weather. So let's read it one more time and it will be the last time, okay? Il y a du brouillard. Il y a du soleil. Il y a du vent. Il y a des orages. Il pleut. Il neige. Il fait chaud. Il fait froid. Bravo monsieur, bravo madame. Bravo. Congratulations. I know it is not easy and it's important that you speak behind me and you see, oh, here is the map, north, south, okay. So that's what we just seen before, but I already corrected. Donc ici we say il y a, what do you say? Dans le sud. South, au sud, dans le sud. Il y a du soleil. And the weather is hot. Il fait chaud. Bravo. In the north, what do we say? Dans le nord. So there are some storms. Il y a des orages, oui. And what is this? Maybe is the center, dans center? Au centre, ou dans le centre. Au centre. It's raining. Il pleut, oui. And here is east. À l'est, ou dans l'est. It's snowing. Il neige. And in the west, dans le nord, dans le nord-ouest, nord ou est, nord and west, there is the fog. Il y a du brouillard, and there is the wind, et il y a du vent. Oui. And here the last one we didn't say is dans l'est, it's cold. Il fait froid. Bravo les amis, bravo. So again, if you like the classes, please subscribe and give me a thumb up. It helps me, it helps my work. And also, don't forget. Vive le français! Vive le français! Vive le français! Au revoir les amis, à bientôt.